If your logo still looks like a $5 Fiverr gig, it's probably the font's fault, not your design skills. In the next few minutes, I'm showing you 20+ free luxury fonts that instantly make any brand, logo, or post look high-end. Stick around because number 21 is honestly the best one on this entire list, and I'm giving you the full collection at the end. Number 1 is Agita, a serif that feels like a breeze off a private beach. Every letter is carved with effortless finesse, blending timeless elegance with quiet strength. If you want a logo that feels expensive without trying too hard, Agita is your move. Next up, Dragni. This is a refined, modern serif built for branding, weddings, and product packaging alike. It's clean enough for a business card and bold enough for a billboard. Honestly, once you try Dragni, it's hard to go back. 3. Belova brings pure sophistication, smooth, graceful, and just a little romantic. Perfect for invitation cards, business cards, and luxury brand names. The subtle ligatures alone make this one worth downloading today. 4. Kindora Bufferly is your modern vintage secret weapon. Think packaging, mugs, teas, and greeting cards, anywhere you want a touch of nostalgic luxury. It's versatile enough to carry an entire product line on its own. Next is Nagista. Nagista is sleek, modern, and effortlessly elegant. Balanced curves and crisp proportions mean it looks just as sharp on a phone screen as it does in print. Simple, chic, unforgettable. Next is Forfalast Royalton. Forfalast Royalton is the alternative serif you didn't know you needed. Perfect for logos, homeware packaging, and invitations. It's got just enough personality to make a label feel like a luxury product. Number 7 is Jaguar Serif. Jaguar Serif pairs old-school elegance with a contemporary edge. Branding, weddings, social posts, packaging, this font handles it all without losing its premium feel. Number 8 is Mayozi. Mayoz keeps things classic and clean, with multilingual support built right in. Great for posters, magazines, and product packaging that needs to speak more than one language. Literally. Number 9 is Failery. Failery is a contemporary display serif made for branding that wants to be noticed. Logos, ads, social content. It brings effortless harmony to every layout it touches. Number 10 is Gemila. Gemila is pure romance in font form. Inspired by love stories and crafted for everything from wedding invites to product labels, this elegant display serif fits almost any creative project you throw at it. Number 11 is Mikalea. Mikalea blends contemporary style with luxury polish. Logos, websites, branding identities. It's the kind of font that instantly upgrades whatever you're designing. Number 12 is Viltora. Viltora mixes classic elegance with modern flair. Smooth curves, strong contrast, and a creative twist make it stand out in any branding project. Number 13 is Clanessa. Clanessa is a modern serif built for versatility. Logos, magazines, packaging, wedding designs. It adapts to whatever your brand needs. Number 14 is Levine. Levine is luxury, plain and simple. Graceful curves meet bold, high-contrast strokes for a typeface that feels timeless and modern all at once. Number 15 is Cottage. Cottage takes inspiration from minimalist logo design and turns it into a stylish serif. Perfect for templates, brochures, and branding that wants to keep things simple yet sophisticated. Number 16 is Bromla. Bromla mixes classic serif structure with a playful modern twist. Slim strokes and looping ends give it a light, creative personality that's hard to ignore. Number 17 is Glommersa. Glommersa draws from bold, elegant typography traditions. Refined letter forms and strong details make it a natural fit for branding, editorial layouts, and packaging design. Number 18 is Goattail. Goatail delivers a radiant, refined feel with flowing curves and sharp detailing. It's editorial elegance with a minimal modern twist, perfect for premium brand storytelling. Number 19 is Rurgian. Rurgian brings understated elegance with elongated serif letters, bold swashes, and unique ligatures. It's the kind of font that makes text feel like it's flowing across the page. Number 20 is Melphira. Melphira blends modern style with classic luxury and comes in 5 weights, from light to bold, so you've got options for subtle or statement-making typography.
Did you feel it? Did you really feel it?
Number 21 is Vigro. Vigro is modern, authentic, and endlessly useful with quotes, logos, blog headers, posters, invitations. One font, 100 use cases.
You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Why, baby?
And finally, Allain, a sculptural editorial serif for brands that want to stand out without going over the top. Balanced contrast, expressive alternates, and elegant ligatures round out this list perfectly.
Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Let me say what I gotta say. You got me wrong and I
First
got
up,
you wrong.
allfreefonts.co. It's a completely free, open-source font library with thousands of styles to browse. No sign-up, no cost, just search the font name and download it instantly. Second option is 1001fonts.com. Another open-source goldmine, super easy to search, and packed with free fonts beyond just this list. A great backup if a font isn't on the first site. And third, my own site, fazelstudio.gumroad.com. This is where I drop curated font bundles, both free and premium, along with other design resources you won't find anywhere else. Links in the description.